When you get a property condition assessment report, why do some of them say the roof wasn't accessible, the mechanical rooms were not accessible, certain tenant spaces were not accessible? Why is that okay? Why is that even normal? This is a question we get a lot. I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. Our assessment protocols allow for two big limitations and really safety features for us as assessors when we're walking into a commercial space. Number one is we don't have to do anything we feel is unsafe. That's an advantage for us and for you and for the building owner. That's a call that the assessor, that the inspector has to make. The number two main reason is if part of the building is not accessible, if it does not have installed roof access, if it does not have installed basement access, if certain doors are locked when we come in, we're not going to beat down anybody's doors and beat down anybody's walls. That's not part of an inspection. You don't do damage to a property. These are all throughout the standards. See, every profession has its own standards, and your inspector, your assessor should know those standards and should abide by them. If they're breaking them, if they're going below them or way, way beyond them, they may just not know them at all. So this is a factor in who you select as a professional. Check us out at WBTreeseConsultants.com or WBTC3.com. Thanks for listening, guys.